Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make Beyond Impossible burgers. Yes, or why? Well, because this is where it's going these days, and we're going to show you what it's like to combine both Beyond Meat and Impossible Burger patties. So here's the Beyond Meat burgers. They're a little bit more coarse, as you can see, versus the Impossible Burger patties, which are more grinded down. And both of these are slightly impossible to open up, but they are in some kind of eco-friendly packaging, except for this film that you have to take off. But that looks a little better. That's a little bit more like a hamburger or something that you wouldn't give to your cat or dog or bear, whatever your pets may be. So let's take a zoomed in GoPro kind of look at this. Yeah. Okay, that's a little sketchy looking. Alright, that's a little bit more like a hamburger. I don't know. Alright, so we're going to throw these down on the grill, and we're supposed to cook these as if they're normal beef. Same temperature, pull them at the same finish temperature, 165. Now hey, look at this. This is that beet juice they've been talking about. It's bleeding, baby. Your plant burger is bleeding. Yeah, you need that realism to convince you that this is real beef. Come on now. Why do we have that? So let's flip it. And I don't know, look at that. It's looking like real burgers. And man here's going to add some seasoning. He forgot to do that earlier. But the Beyond Meat patty's not over direct flame. It's not a fair comparison in a cook time. But look at this. It's not bad. It's not bad. You could really fool some people if they didn't know this was plant-based. And I guess that's what it's all about, especially with that little beet juice trick y'all had going on. The Impossible Burger patties have reached temp first because they're sitting over an open flame. And we're going to give these Beyond Meat patties a chance here. Put them over an open flame and let them catch up. And once the Beyond Meat burger patties reach temp, we're going to bring the Impossible burgers down and we're going to cheese them. So continuing on this vegan adventure, we've got animal-free, plant-based cheese. We've got two different brands. You can find this in your local grocery store. And you can see how well they melt. The second one here is the better one if you have a keen eye. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh yeah, this is almost like a real barbecue with real meat and real cheese. But it's not. It's all vegetables. It's vegetables. Who's doing this? Why? It's the end of the world. Okay, you plant lovers, we're going to double stack. We're going to take a Beyond Meat patty and an Impossible patty, both with each kind of cheese, and we're going to put some more plants on them. And if you notice, we're going to dress these burgers up with nothing but plants. And as you probably know, most burger buns are vegan. And as long as we don't put mayonnaise on here, this is a total vegan masterpiece. So you might be asking, what do these taste like? So it's really close to a beef hamburger, and the texture is really similar too. They've done a good job at mimicking both the texture and the flavor profiles. The Beyond Meat has a little bit more of a fire and smoke barbecue flavor to it. Food porn flyover. Wow, look at these burgers. I mean, if you didn't know that these were all 100% plant-based with no animal products, would you eat it? That's the question. Let us know in the comments section. Don't be shy. All right, so man's gonna try to slice one of these in half to show you what's inside. But yeah, he's a little bit clumsy. But you'll get the point of what's in here. And you're gonna see it just looks like your average Dave's Deluxe burger without bacon. And it looks like the real deal. If you've got some serious meat-eating friends, it might be pretty fun to fool them with some of these plant-based burger patties. Or if you got some vegan friends, you know, hook them up one of these next time they come over to your barbecue and tell them it's all plants. They'll love you. Or maybe they won't. I don't know. Maybe they hated you all along. But that's your problem. But whatever your personal problems are, put them aside and keep watching more of our videos. Click like, click subscribe. Check us out on Facebook. Hope you try this at home. I mean, why not? Give it a shot. Save the planet, save the cows, save the polar bears, blah, blah, blah. Thanks for watching.